Hello and welcome to this very quick video just to announce the winner of the T8SG radio giveaway that I announced just over a week ago. So had a fantastic response. Thank you to everybody that left a comment and liked the video. And what I'm going to do is use the random comment picker to pick one of the people that have left a comment. Now, don't worry if you don't win this one, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway, a nice one, hopefully, for when we reach 100,000 subscribers, and it looks like I'm only a couple of weeks away. So don't worry if you don't win it, but let's see who's going to win this one. We'll use the random comment picker, copy and paste the address in, load all of the different comments, hit the start button, and the winner is Mel Jones. Let's have a quick look at your channel, Mel. Okay, this is definitely a radio control person. Fantastic. Mel, congratulations. Well done. Do me a favour, pop me an email to lee@painless360.com and we can sort out getting your address and whatnot and get this radio out to you so you can have a go. So again, commiserations for those of you that didn't win, but stay tuned and keep your eyes open because I've got a special video planned for when we hit that 100,000 subscriber mark. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.